To get to our destination, we must all follow a roadmap. The same is true for achieving success in e-commerce. Yes, only a comprehensive and strategic roadmap will help you achieve e-commerce marketing success. The most difficult aspect of e-commerce is not setting up your online store, but rather marketing it. As a result, we developed a comprehensive roadmap to assist you in marketing your e-commerce store in a simple and effective manner. Welcome to our channel eCommerce Know-How, and in this video, we'll see a complete roadmap for successful e-commerce marketing. Number 5. Start the way with SEO. SEO is a critical component of any e-commerce business, primarily because it helps to increase the visibility of the business. 44% of online shoppers use search engines to locate e-commerce portals, according to a recent survey. A good search engine optimization strategy ensures that customers find your company before their competition. Some of the most important SEO options include on-page optimization. When it comes to on-page optimization, it is always best to start with your own pages before moving on to external SEO. To begin, optimize the titles, headings, content, and images on your website. Creative content. In addition to ranking for keywords, creating high-quality content is the most effective way to ensure that users have a positive experience on your website. It will also assist you in ensuring that you are educating customers, and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche will result in increased sales opportunities. Guest posting. Guest posting isn't extinct, only its spammy cousin has been obliterated from the internet. This remains one of the most effective methods of obtaining a high-quality contextual link. Link building. Build relevant links from resource pages and directories to create a nice, diverse link profile that Google does not consider suspicious. Results in a nice, diverse link profile that Google does not consider suspicious. Number 4. Add some twist with email marketing. Email is one of the most effective methods of communicating with customers. According to recent studies and polls, email has a return on investment of around 4,300%. On a daily basis, 80% of people say they receive marketing messages in addition to their personal emails. 70% of people use coupons or discounts they learn about through email. Receiving special offers is the top reason that 60% of people subscribe to a business's email list. In other words, if your e-commerce business hasn't taken the time to implement email marketing, you're losing money. Number 3. Take a long turn with PPC. If you want to drive targeted traffic to your online store quickly, Google AdWords is an excellent option. However, it only works wonders when this tool is used correctly. Otherwise, it is a money pit. Product listing ads. Product listing ads are a more shopping-focused version of AdWords. The best part is that it is inexpensive and has a high conversion rate. Comparison shopping engines. Websites such as PriceGrabber, Nextag, and Shipzilla help some merchants by driving commercial traffic. Facebook ads. Facebook ads can help you build your fan base and email list in a big way. Number 2. A lane to social media. Create profiles on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and others. By creating profiles on such profiles, you can effectively communicate with your customers while also building brand awareness. Pinterest. Pinterest is significant in its own right. Product reviews. If you want to raise brand awareness for your company, product reviews are extremely effective, especially for new products. Giveaways and contests. This is comparable to product reviews. The additional benefit of giveaways and contests over product reviews is that they are far more effective at obtaining emails and social followers. Growth hacking. Growth hacking is a comprehensive approach. It is the most powerful strategy because it combines all of the above-mentioned strategies. Number 1. Some more turns to reach your destination. Video marketing. In today's business world, video marketing is a winning formula. Many businesses are making multi-million-dollar profits by using Facebook video and YouTube video. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can make you money, but you must stick to your niche if you want to go the extra mile. Sites with forums and Q&A. Search social forums and provide solutions to people who are looking for information about your business. Just keep in mind that you should not spam. Related industries. Approach a retailer in a related industry. This will help you grow your business as well as your relationships. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. When will you start your e-commerce business? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.